Hello everybody, welcome back to Tech Library. In this tutorial video today, we will look at how you can view Snapchat notification history on your mobile phone screen. Whether you missed a message or you just want to check the notification history, you are in the right place. All right! Give me number 1. Open your Snapchat app. Come on, guys! You know the tactic. After that, you should click on profile icon that placed in the top left corner of the screen. Now, look for the gear or settings icon and look for notifications. Depending on your device scroll down. Here you can manage a number of notification settings. Press the switch if you do not want to receive notifications of group chat messages, for instance. To set individual friends notifications or story option, you can do it easily. Bonus tip: options like saving the chats and messages are also beneficial. You can even save chats and messages, and to do it, you just highlight the chat you want to save in gray. This way, you won't lose them even if they are older than 24 hours. That's it, folks. Now you know how to check your Snapchat notification history. There you have it, folks. If this video was helpful to you, then remember to hit that like button. And if you would love more tech-related tips, then please do subscribe to Tech Library. See you. That is all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.